If we are using R language for the first time, it will be difficult to use it for the analysis of the statistical data. So here we will discuss some of the basic commands of the R language so that we can analyze the data easily. So if we want to start the R language, it is very easy. We can just click on the icon of the R language that is present on the desktop. And if similarly, if we want to close the program, we can just write in the prompt, and I told you the prompt is the interface in which we get the greater than sign, and after the greater than sign we can write the codes to get some data analyzed. So if we want to close the program, we just write Q and write the brackets. And similarly, before closing, we can also save all of the things that we are analyzing. So the program will ask before closing if we want to save workplace image. If we will save the workplace image, all of the data that we are handling will be automatically saved in a file that is called the R data file. And similarly, we can also save all of the commands we have used for the analysis, and those commands will be saved in the file that is called the .r history. So all of the files, rather in the R data or R history, they will be saved in the R memory. And we can retrieve all of the data and the commands later on, and we can use them for the analysis anytime. If we want to retrieve the data we were using before closing the program, we can just write in the syntax that is load workplace. So it will load all of the data we were using previously. And if you want to see the previous commands we were using, we will just write in the prompt load history. So we will retrieve all of the commands that we were using. So sometimes in the prompt we can see the plus sign that is present, and it means that the R package is demanding something more in the syntax, and it is due to the incomplete code that is written in the prompt. And it happens when the code is very lengthy or it is written in the many lines, so maybe some of the elements of the code may be missing. So it is the indication that we have to write some missing elements in the code. And this usually happens when we use the loops and the condition, and after using the loops and the condition, the length of the code becomes very long. So R is coupled with comprehensive help files. As we know that help files are present in most of the packages. These can be accessed directly from R or using a web browser. The web browser is especially suitable for searching new possible usable commands. Direct access from R is faster, but the name of the command is needed in order to access the help files. And we can write the command in the prompt as it is written help.start, and in the start we can write any of the in the bracket we can write any of the help we needed at that time. And this also opens a new browser window, and from that browser window we can also have access to a book that is called an introduction to R. Other basic manuals are also included as web pages, and packages link gets to a detailed description of functions and dataset in each package. Search engines can be used for searching commands and dataset by query words, and help can access directly from R using the command help and bracket we can write which help we needed. The name of the command is written in parentheses, such as if we want to know about the mean, we will just write in the prompt greater than sign help, and in the bracket we will write mean. So it means we will get the information about the mean. The general layout of the help command is as follows. So firstly we will see the name of the command, that will be followed by the package name, and after the package name there will be name of a function, and function will be in the title. After the function, if there is a command, then the command name will be present. For example, if we want to know about the mean and bracket, it will calculate the arithmetic mean, and after that there will be a short description of the commands, and after the short description there will be a general uses of the command that are being used. And for example, if we use the mean brackets, it means that it can also use some arguments, that is the xtrim and na.rm. We will see in the later what is narm, and the further details we will see in the next presentation.